My name is Kaha Kukhreidze. I represent the Georgian Dream. I'm very pleased to be here, and I would just like to make a short comments about what was discussed here. Very shortly to say, of course, Georgia is progressing and forwarding, and we have implemented a series of reforms regarding the judicial independence. Unfortunately, Georgia inherited totally controlled judiciary, and the first step what was taken by the Georgian Dream was, politically in Georgia, to depoliticize the High Council of Justice, which in turn, of course, is the guarantee of the judicial independence. The second point is that we divide the reforms into three directions. The first is economic governance, and we think that the Eastern and European, the policies which have been put on the agenda is in accordance to our European integration. And in my opinion, the association agreement related to in my opinion, the association agreement related to the situation to Georgia, it's the question, of course, I would rather go to the question, but the association agreement which Georgia signed, European Union really puts the situation in a way that I will just take 2 minutes to break and then continue, okay? If that makes sense. No. I just want to send an important message, and I will continue very soon. Sorry.
Yeah, like.